So I'm going to give you the exact stack that we use to get our clients' websites ranking in AI search. And I'm not going to explain how, in detail or anything like that. I'm just going to show you exactly what you need to know here really quickly. The core engine behind this is Replit. We love Replit so much. They do such a great job. And we switched over to them from Webflow about like a year and a half ago. It was a long time ago. And it's just been amazing to see how far their product has come. It's amazing. So that's the backbone of the entire thing. Then for analytics, we use Google Analytics and Google Search Console. And then we use SEMrush as well. So that's really the entire stack that you need. That's all the only tools that you need to do this, to get your website really ranking really well on AI search, like a ChatGPT search, Gemini search, Grok search, Perplexity, all these different new services that are emerging. Those are the tools that you need. So it's pretty simple, and we'll leave links to all of them in the description for you. And then, SEMrush is for telling us like exactly how to get, improve crawlability for the different robots that are going to crawl at the back end of the site. And so it's really good. This loop, you can use it, SEMrush and Replit, the Replit Agent V2, just, back and forth with each other. And Replit Agent V2 will fully 100% optimize it to basically what SEMrush is telling it to do. And that's why it's so amazing and it's so powerful. Because SEMrush can go so deep and has like really good analytics on that particular aspect of it. They have a lot of other features as well. Honestly, I'm not that familiar with them and we don't use them. They don't really matter, but that particular feature is really good for making sure that your site's backend, your site is maximally crawlable for Google's robots to go out there, for OpenAI's robots to go out there, for Grok's robots to go out there, right? Like all you want that to be fully optimized. And it just goes back to just like kind of core normal SEO principles that you can have Replit Agent V2 do, like your sitemap, like your robots.txt. There's also like this emerging strategy of doing an LLM.txt. So you can also tell Replit Agent V2 to do that. And that basically is just a file that's in your backend that tells, when OpenAI's robot crawls your website, it tells it, exactly kind of curated information that you want that robot to know about your business or your product, your offer, whatever you have on your website. So you can kind of curate all these things, and it's just really important. That's what we say, like at our company Prism, that design, it's not just the front end or how something looks, it's also the back end and how it works in that way, and how easy it is for designed in a way for these robots to really easily be able to get this information. And that's the kind of the secret in doing it. And then of course, the other side to the coin is producing really good content. But just as far as the stack goes, it's very simple. It's Replit, it's Google Search Console. Again, that's where you'll submit your sitemap XML, and then Google Analytics, and hopefully they get an upgrade, from Gemini soon. In Google Analytics, it's pretty basic now, but Google Analytics, and then Replit Agent V2 can help you set up both of those to like fully optimize the tracking as deep as you want to go. You can go really deep with the tracking with Google Analytics, or you can just kind of do things as simple as like tracking the, new users on your site. So you can have a lot of flexibility there, but those are really the only tools you need. And then SEMrush is an expensive subscription, but it's completely worth it because of it just really helps you maximize the crawlability of your site. And it's a pretty easy loop once you get it going between that, ping pong between the Replit Agent V2 and all the SEMrush analytics data.